Hello everyone, my name is Moran and welcome back to Tutorials Hub channel. Today's video is going to be about how you can create your custom GPT chat AI assistant that will help your Shopify store. So let's get started with this video. The first thing you would need to do is get a GPT, but the premium version you need for this case, because you will be creating your own custom assistant that will be helping you with the promotion, with product descriptions, and so much more. And the second thing you want to have is either getting a Shopify store or the already store that you have. You can use the already built store. But in case you're just starting out with Shopify, you can click the link in our bio description and get your Shopify done. And the first month is going to be completely free. For this video, we're going to use my old Shopify store. As you can see, we have a Shopify domain. This is not our custom domain. We used to have one, but as we don't use this shop anymore, now we just use Shopify domain. So let's get started with this video. I'm just gonna change the desktop so I don't see my OBS anymore. And we're gonna navigate over to Explore GPTs. And as you can see here, when I click on my GPTs, you will see your already built chat GPTs that serve a specific actions. So pretty much I have my affiliate marketing assistant, my blog writer, my friend's blog writer, and my Quora assistant. So we're gonna be creating a new one completely from scratch. And as you can see here, I just clicked create a GPT. As you can see here, we have two panels now. The left panel, the one where my mouse is at the moment, is pretty much for configuration and for reconfiguration of our affiliate of our GPT bot. And here we're gonna get the responses, and here we're gonna communicate with him or it once the bot has been built already. Here we just do some configurations and updates how we want the GPT to pretty much act like. You will see here, once you click configure, a couple of fields. The first field is about getting the image out there. We will use some random image over here. I will not be worrying much about it, so I'll just use one random image that I have over here. And I'm gonna name this GPT bot Shopify Assistant. Short descriptions and instructions I'm gonna leave blank for now, and I'm gonna come back over to create. So as you can see here, I'm gonna start prompting it now. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell him, hey, I need you to be my Shopify assistant. Here is my Shopify page. I'm gonna grab the link of my Shopify page, and I'm gonna give him as many details as possible so it can deliver the best possible outcome. The second thing, I'm gonna explain what the Shopify store is about and what it's gonna help me about. This store is streetwear brand for soccer. I love to call it football, but in case you're watching from United States, you're probably calling it soccer. This is a streetwear brand for soccer outfit. At the moment we have hoodies, tees, caps, and what also we have? We do have socks as well on that store. Okay, I'm gonna give it a prompt for the beginning. We're gonna start off. I'm gonna list down everything. So let's read what they said. Okay. Constraints. So we're gonna speak about the tone. I need you to have friendly tone, and you can use some, I'm gonna tell him like this, ballers language in speech. Okay, guidelines, provide clear, concise product descriptions. Okay, clarifications. Okay, looks well. I'm gonna give it a little bit of prompt as well. I need you to help me specifically with my, I'm gonna use like this, SEO, product description, social media description, captions, what else? Let's see, data sheets and orders, customer support / success. So let's see what else it can help us with. I'm gonna navigate over here. Okay, pretty much that'd be it. I'm gonna prompt it. Now we can come back over to configure, and here you can see this is a brief description of what our assistant does, and here in the instruction section you can see here that GPT has written for itself a brief summary of what it's gonna help us with and how it's gonna do it. The prompting has been done, and we're gonna start testing now and optimizing our inputs that we gave him. So what we're gonna do, I need you to give me a brief, I need you to give me a, let's say, social media post with hashtags that will have a call to action on our hoodie landing page. So I'm gonna give it our hoodie landing page. I'm just gonna copy paste it, pretty much put over here. You can see now I'm communicating on the right side of the panel because I need a specific favor from ChatGPT, and I'm not prompting it anymore. I'm not configuring it anymore. Now I'm actually requiring it to make a certain action or task that will be helping my business. So this is why I use the right side at the moment. I need you to give me a social media post text with hashtags that will have a call to action on our I'm gonna remove hashtags, so I need to be a bit careful over here. I need you to give me a social media post that will have a call to action on our hoodie landing page. Make sure to include hashtags related to football, ballers, soccer, etc. So now it's gonna create us what we need. Let's see how it does it. Sure thing. Okay, elevate your blah blah blah. As you can see here, this is the actual response. I'm gonna copy the response, put it in Google Drive, Google Docs actually, to see on blank what type of response we got. I'm gonna just create another doc. Here we can see how it's gonna look like. Elevate your streetwear game with Infinite Ballers hoodie from our Beyond the Game collection. Perfect for hitting the pitch on your or repping your style of the field. Don't just play the game, live it. I like it. The only thing I don't like is the word elevate. So ChatGPT, as you probably guys already know, they have some common words that they use all the time. So I'm gonna list them as a negative words that I want ChatGPT to start avoiding. So let's create a small list of most common words that ChatGPT uses. Please, I'm gonna do it like this. Please avoid these words in your responses. These words slash phrases in your responses. Elevate, boost, enhance. Let's see what also it uses pretty often. Most common words used by GPT. Okay, I'm not sure I'm gonna. On the other hand, furthermore, not anything specifically. Embrace, I know they use quite a lot, which I don't prefer to have. They also use words such as comprehensive. I want to avoid it. So let's use these ones for now. I'm just gonna pretty much here in the configuration tab, I'm just gonna copy paste, and it will start avoiding these specific words in its responses. Great. Let's wait for the updating to be done so we can continue further on. Great thing. Now it started avoiding these words. If we think that ChatGPT is also using some words we want to avoid, we can just come over here, avoid, as you can see here, avoid using the words elevate, boost, enhance, embrace. We can just come here, add a comma over here, and we can just type in anything we pretty much want, any word we want or phrase that we want to avoid. So it's that simple. In case like you have things about your brand like PDF documents, branding, how you organize certain things with your SOPs, systems, you can pretty much just come over here and upload any file you guys have. Let's see if I have some infinite. Okay, I have some infinite ballers over here, so I'm just gonna upload, for example, this PDF file. Can't open this file because it contains system files. Choose different file. Okay, let's see if they can use, for example, this file. Open. Great. I'm gonna just delete as I uploaded two of them. Here is a list of new jackets. Okay, I'm gonna actually move this one over here. Infinite. I'm gonna upload these jackets that we are actually planning to launch. Here is a list of new jackets we are planning to launch. I need you to create me a blog. I'm gonna use blog post, social media post with captions. I'm gonna use, I need product description, and I need outreach message for influencers about our product. This is pretty much it. Let's see what it can do. So we're gonna wait. It started giving us the response about the blog post. As you can see, the blog post is coming over here. Social media post with captions. As you can see, we started generating these amazing Twitter post. great thing. It might be a bit long because we asked it to create a huge amount of things, so we might have to reprompt it again in case it just stops. It sometimes happens whether the prompt is too big. So as you can see, it started generating even the outreach message. So now we have our new learnings. The reason why I gave it so much is just to see how it's prompted from the beginning. For example, I want to have my affiliate link or my product link or landing page link in my blog post. So what I can tell him, I want you to include always landing page link in your blog responses. I want to have that link visible yet not pushy. We need to provide value to a reader, and additionally promote our product page. What you can also do, so your GPT actually understands how your site operates, you can upload something called sitemap. Sitemap is something that Google uses in order to understand where something is on your site. So you can pretty much, I'm going to show you. What is a sitemap? Here you can use Google developers. You can come over here to like console, search console. This is a, let's use this one. So you would actually have to verify that this is actually your page once you add the text txt records. So once you verify that, you would actually verify later. I'm gonna just come over here. I'm gonna use sitemap. So the thing is, I would use like, let's say, my official domain. Over here I would insert it in, and then after I submit it as a response, I would get something like this, guys. I'm gonna show you how the sitemap looks like and how you can upload it pretty much. I'm gonna navigate over to sitemaps. Here you can see my sitemap URL. I'm gonna copy, and this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, and this is how we help ChatGPT and Google understand our sitemap and how our page looks like. So here is my sitemap, and as this is not the sitemap for this specific page, I'm not gonna upload it, but I would definitely recommend that you guys do it, so the ChatGPT can actually search on your site where something is. So you would have saved a lot of time just by explaining how your site works, just by uploading this simple sitemap file. Guys, as a reminder, I wanted to tell you, if you're just starting out with Shopify, you can click the link in our bio description down below and get 1 month for only $1 of Shopify subscription. It will give you enough time for you to start out to learn some new things, how Shopify works, and after 1 month you're definitely going to be ready to launch your store. As we've come to the end of this video, I hope I managed to give you some value, and in case you have something specific, you can always leave down the comment, and my team and I will give best in order to respond back to you as soon as we can. If you want us to create a specific video, just comment down below as well, and we will give our best shot to make a video to help you out, guys. So see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.